This is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect a USB drive to your iPhone so you can transfer photos over. So I have a little lightning adapter. If you have an older iPhone, you'll need this. You can just look at how this looks. If you have a USB-C, this is a newer iPhone. So you just need to get the right adapter, a lightning or a USB-C, and then this will connect a USB drive. So you can just connect it just like this. I have an older iPhone, an iPhone SE from like 2022, I think. It's already 4 years old. You just connect this to the bottom now. And then I believe you have to have it formatted exFAT or FAT32 for it to work. So if it doesn't work, format it on your computer that. Then all you have to do is go on over to Photos. Right here, here's Photos. Go to Select and select the photos you want. So I'm going to select these two photos and go to the little box with the up arrow. Scroll on down and go to Save to Files. Then we can go back, hit the back arrow, and go to No Name. This is going to be your USB drive. We can tap it now. And then we're in our USB drive. We can find a folder in here. We can create a folder if we want. Go to the top. I believe you can create a new folder right there. But I'm just going to go to Save. This is saving to my USB drive now. Now to look at the files on that, go all the way to the right, and then go to Files, and tap this, go to No Name. So you might have to hit that back arrow again on the top. You'll see this screen, go to No Name. And then here are my pictures on here. So I think I transferred this one over, this lovely picture right there of me with the camera. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.